Hey, it's Joe at Fabspeed Motorsport. Super psyched to tell you about the world's finest catalytic converters for all 2020 Corvette C8 cars worldwide. Fabspeed Motorsports can make this claim based on our 25 years of experience designing, engineering, and dyno developing performance parts for Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren vehicles. And also by virtue of we are the importer for HGS catalytic converters from Germany. HGS Emissions Technologies makes the finest trimetallic stainless steel catalytic converters that are extra special heavy precious metal loaded with platinum, palladium, and rhodium. This massive catalytic converter that I hold in my hand is imported from Germany. It's almost 6 inches in diameter. This will support 1,200 horsepower per side. We chose these on the Corvette to give the Corvette owner maximum sports car sound, maximum power. These will flow 90 to 92% of a straight pipe, so you'll get everything that's possible in the car with no tune required. We're so proud to show this to you. We could have used smaller HGS catalytic converters, but size matters. Large surface area with all that precious metal will stop check engine lights now or 10 years from now and give you the power and the sound you deserve. Everything you see in front of us is made 100% at Fabspeed Motorsports, from our billet stainless steel flanges that we cut on our flow water jet, to our end cones, to our welding, back purging, you name it. When we originally shot the video, we did not have our final version of thermal heat covers for the 2020 Corvette. We looked at what we did for the McLaren cars, all the mid-engine McLaren cars, and we used the technology that we use there for the 2020 mid-engine Corvettes. So what you have here are defense quality military spec thermal blankets, shields. These have 321 stainless steel lining, and then they have 2200 degree silica matting. The exterior is Rockwell Kevlar, sewn together with 321 stainless steel serging and then springs. The beauty of it is we use it on McLarens, we used it for the Corvette. Using thermal testing on the Corvette, as we did on McLarens, we actually reduced the heat in the engine bay from what Chevrolet had on the OEM cats with these thermal covers. Beautiful solution, world class, gives you the performance, the torque, and reduces the engine heat. For people that want to do all-out racing, competition, drag racing, that might want to build custom engines, 13-to-1, leaded fuel, we will have cat bypass pipes. These are for off-road use only. And once again, though, we will have them available for you racers or people that are off-road and all-out competition. Also, we're going to include brand new hardware for all these applications for the 2020 Corvette. Check us out online at fabspeed.com and check out the finest catalytic converters and other components for the 2020 Corvette C8.